Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to make an e-commerce website using Big Cartel. So as you can see, we are at bigcartel.com, and when you search that, you will end up over here. So obviously, like Big Cartel is an e-commerce platform that allows individual and small businesses to create and manage their own online stores. So it is designed to be easy to use and suitable for businesses of all sizes, not only small. And with like Big Cartel, users can create a customizable online store and manage, multiple products, process orders, and track sales. It offers range of features including customizable themes, payment gateways, um, you know, shipping options, and the ability to sell digital products. So, and obviously, it is also available on the website and as an app for iOS and Android devices. So, as you can see, we are at bigcartel.com, and if you want to start, so right now we are going with the free version, as you can see over here. So there are three pricing plan, as you can see. The first one is free, and you can use only one image per product to show your product, right? And free customizable themes, sell online and in person. Real-time stats, use a custom domain, offers discount and run promos, shipment, and there are multiple things they are giving you in free. And obviously, you don't need a credit card for this. So after that, you can see that we have $10 per month, and these are some platinum features. And after that, you can see we have $20 per month, and there are some diamond features they are providing you. But there is one thing is very important to know in these three plans, that free version only allows you to have 5 products, and platinum features allows you to have 50 products, and obviously diamond features allows you to have 500 products. So this is a big gap between $10 and $20. But for starter, we are going with the sign up free. So just to show you how it works, so once you click on sign up free, it will take you to the login area where you can sign up with your email address and your password. So I'm just going to do that real quick. So as you can see, I have done my like all the details, and once you enter your shop name, Big Cartel will like automatically generate URL for you, and this is your URL. You can slightly change that, but I think go with this and go with the short name so that people can remember that, right? So once you done that, click on sign up. After that, they will send you like, let's verify your email address. So you can just go to your email and just try to verify. So I'm just going to do that real quick on my second screen, and let me do that real quick. And once I click on verify my email address, it will take me to here, as you can see. And here I can just enter my password, which I have uh, written before, and click on login. So right now, as you can see, we have so many options over here. The first one is verify your location and currency, add a products. Third one is explore shipping profiles, connect a payment procedure, and design your shop, launch your shop. So here you are going to set up your whole e-commerce system. So first one, you can see that verify your location and currency. Why we are going to use that? Because this is used for tax settings and shipping profiles. So if you click on it, it will take you something like here, and you can just enter your details like from over here, and what would be your currency, and know what is that your time zone, and how you can get paid, taxes, all those stuff you will find over here. So I'm just gonna go back. This is very basic, right? So you can see it has already completed, because it's not that important. They will allow that they will fill everything for you by itself, and all of them are very generic. So yeah, after that, add a product. This is very important. If you click on this, you need to understand that we can only use one image, and that image should be good, right? So you can just import image from over here. So I'm just going to click on add a product, and obviously Once you click on that, you will end up over here, and here you are going to enter your product details. So let's just suppose I just want to create a, you know, a belt product. So I'm just going to write belt, and I'm going to add an image. So click on plus icon over here and it will take you right over here. I'm just going to go to my download and I'm going to add an image which I have downloaded, and it's loading up. And after that, just add your details, like obviously what kind of belt it is, and you know what it is made up of, all those description you want to add for your product. After that, you have your category. So obviously, once you click on plus icon, you will end up over here. To get started, click the manage categories. Why? Because we are going to create a category for certain products, right, to organize things. So right now I have belts, right, and maybe in future I have multiple design for the belts. So I'm just gonna create, belt, and all of my belt product will be in this category. So, or just to organize things, right, just save this, and here we are. Just click on done. After that, add your price, and you can just active that status, like it is active or not, like hidden or sold out or coming soon, all those stuff. So right now it is active, so people can purchase it. But after that, you have your price and options. So what it is, so you can add individual options and group options. So what it does, just suppose you have your brown belt. So you know right now you are watching the brown belt, but um but if someone wants to buy this belt in black or gray, you can add those options also over here, so people can just click on that, not only this color. You can add that like under that, all those information. After that, you have your shipping. It's the same option which we will see in the future, but right now I'm just going to show you like how it does, like how it works. So click on there. You can add your country, you can add your alone price, and your with the others. So you can add details over here, so in that way that people should know how much shipping would cost. So after that, you have your US tax category, which we have seen in the starting. So it's just leave it as it is, and after that, click on save. Simple as that, right? Obviously, I just didn't enter all of these details, and after that, it will be added to your product list. So once you've done that, you can see that it would look something like this, and $30. I just put that like the random number, and you can just add more product from over here. And remember that free version have only 5 products. So yeah, and after that you have more information over here. You can search your products from over here. You can just view like as a list or different types, right, and manage your categories and import products more. So that's how you are going to add products. After that, go back to your dashboard, and you will find that explore shipping profile is the same which we have done while adding the product. I was telling you that we will see that in future too. It's very simple. Just add details like if you are going to ship there, how much that would cost and how much that doesn't cost. So it's very simple, right? After that, you have your connect a payment procedure. It's very easy. Just add your PayPal or Stripe account. Just add that over here, and it's the same option which we have opened earlier, and you can add that over there, here. You can add that over here. You can add your billing over here. You can just add all the details, everything over here. You can just add Stripe payment cards over here and PayPal. So yeah, you can only receive two, in these two. So yeah, after that, go back to dashboard, and we have our design your shop. Click on design your shop, and you will end up over here. And I'm just going to just close this all and click on design. So once you click on design, it will take you over here, and here you can see you have so many options over here. On the left side, header image, you can just add image over here, and repeating background image. So in the background you can add multiple belts, so that in that way people should know how it works and how many belts you can just show. And after that, you have your slideshow, your colors, your color themes which you want to set for your website, and your fonts and more like announcement tags if you want to do that. Like once someone open this website, it displays the message on the top. You can see over here it has been written. And after that you have your how many navigation items you can just show them, all those stuff over here, which you can customize in free version, which is very useful in my opinion. You can even add your Instagram and all those social links over here. So it's very useful. After that you have your pages. You can add more pages over here, and it's very easy. Just click on that, add page, that's it. After that you have your coding, but you need to go upgrade for that. And you have your theme. So here you can just choose your theme. Right now it's just this one, very normal, and if you click on use this, it would take some time. And here we are, this is the theme which we have chosen. So that's how you are going to add it, and you can just preview that in desktop and tablet and even phone version. So yeah, after that go back to dashboard, and the last option is launch your shop. So how you are going to launch your shop? So first of all click on that and wait, yeah. So once you click on it, and you can see that we have a design over here, you have your location and etc, all those information over here. So once you want to launch your website, you can see that we are in maintenance mode because we were editing, right? We were doing some changes in our website. If you close this, you will have your website link. Once you click on that, click on launch, and this is your website link. So you can use this anywhere and send it to anyone. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to open this over here. Oh, sorry. Copy link. I don't know, it's not copying at all. I don't know why, but we'll try to do that. But you can just copy that from over here. I don't know why it's not opening up. Click to open, copy your shop link. I don't know why it's not opening, but that's how you can just easily share this with anyone, because this is your website, right? MAGGG, this is what I have used. You can just share that with anyone, and you can just do that, tell anyone to go ahead and purchase our product. Once you done that, you will end up seeing this, and this is your revenue and every single information, like all the analytics regarding your products and who are buying, who are not buying. So you can just find it over here. So that's how how to set up your e-commerce website using Big Cartel. It's very easy and very easy to understand, and in my opinion, just come here and try it by yourself. I hope you understand every single thing. Make sure to give a like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.